Hello, I just wanted to do a quick little video for you to remind you of a couple things that you need to remember when doing the sine and the cosine laws. The first one you learned in Unit 34, and it's kind of how to name the sides and the angles of a triangle. So if this is angle A, and this is angle B, and this is angle C, the sides opposite will be the lowercase versions of these angles. So this side opposite of angle A will be side A, and the side opposite angle B will be side B, and the side opposite angle C will be side C. So you just have to remember that when you're working in triangles, just to know which side and angle you're dealing with. The other thing that you need to remember is that all angles inside a triangle add up to 180. So if I know that this angle is 60 degrees and I know that this angle is 40 degrees, then in order to find this angle here, all I need to do is subtract 60 and 40 from 180 to find out what this angle here is. And so that would be 100 degrees. Okay? And then the third thing that you need to remember is that when you're dealing with the law of sines and cosines, that you always need to know three things of an angle. So depending on what those three things are, is going to depend whether you use the law of sines or the law of cosines, or sine law or cosine law. So if you have a triangle that looks something like this, and you know that you have an angle and you have two sides, but that angle is not included in those sides, then that's going to be the law of sine that you're going to use. Also, if you have a triangle, say you have the same triangle here, and you know this angle and this angle, so, and you know this side, so you know two angles and a side, again you're going to use the law of sines. So this top angle triangle here is going to be known as angle side side, showing that the angle is not included with the two sides. And this triangle here is angle angle side. So we're going to have angle angle side. So for those two, we're going to use the law of sines. So law of sines. If we have a triangle where we know the side, an angle, and the other side, so the angle is included within the two sides, that would be a side, angle, side, then we're going to use the law of cosine. Or if we have a triangle that we have all three sides, or a side, side, side angle, then we're going to use the law of cosines. So this is explained more in the document that's in the course, but I just wanted to give you a quick visual of what it looked like. So this, again, this triangle up here is an angle, side, side. The triangle over here is an angle, angle, side. So these two, we're going to use the law of sines. This triangle over here is a side, or a side, angle, side, side, angle, side. Or if you know all three sides and no angles, then that's just going to be a side, side, side. And we'll use the law of cosines for those two triangles. Okay, and that's it for just a quick reminder. And if you have any questions, as always, reach out, let me know, and we can get together and go over things.